It's showtime here with New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair, the HVAC Papi. That's right, guys. I'm here with the A-team. I'm here with my man Tony to my left. And guys, my guys right now working, picking up supplies, dumping out the garbage, and getting shit done. So we're here in Roosevelt, New York, installing a New Yorker gas hot water boiler. I'll let you know about the model because I don't remember the model right now, but I'll put it in the description below. And guys, this is what it takes, baby. It's winter season. It's boiler season, it's heating season, and it's that time of the year, guys. We have to install boilers after boilers after boilers. So, mi gente, stay tuned. Just another one, Louie the Boiler Man. Dio's not here today because unfortunately he has something personal to take care of. But guess what? Now we got the A-team and you got the HVAC Papi over here. So, guys, stay tuned. Listen, we have another one. Are you ready? Oh, I'm ready, baby. Wepa!
It's Louie the Boiler Man. It's getting cold outside, and we got the hot stuff. We got the hot stuff. Baby, we'll heat your house all winter long. The hot stuff. We got the hot stuff. Baby, when your heat is broke, we'll turn it on.
All right, guys, we're in the boiler room. It's a little tight inside here. So in the meantime, where the guy's cutting out the pipe, we're cutting 1.25 pipe. And right now, I have Tony right now prepping up some fittings. Guys, I want to explain something to you. Right now, we got the boiler. We have it leveled. This floor is unleveled. I don't know if you guys can see it over from the camera or from this side of the view, but this shit looks like one of those shit from Paris. I don't know what you call that shit, but all I just know, this is in a tilt. Hey, it's not my fault, but it is our job to make sure that everything's squared, everything's leveled, and it looks primo, right? So we got it on the cinder blocks. We leveled it. I want to show you guys. Where is this? Where the hell is it? Tony! You know where the level is at?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, right here. Okay, listen, guys. Take a look at that. Right here. Looking, it's leveled. Very importante. Very importante, guys. And if you look at this right here, this hot water heater, somebody made a big screw up here on the floor, if you ask me, and it's crooked. But that's neither here or there. We're not here for that. So once everything's squared, everything's going to go squared, God willing. Right now, we're building out what we call the supply or the manifold. So basically, it's a riser. So right here on top of this T is a special T that comes with the boiler. It's going to be a relief valve. Over here, we're going to have a nipple, an elbow. It's going to go up, and then we're going to build a manifold. So the manifold, you're going to have the air separator. You're going to have your air vent on the heel T, and you're going to build the manifold, which is going to be your your circulator pumps. I'm a little under the gun, guys. It's about time is money, right? So we have a T, 1.25 by 3/4 T, and an 1.25 by 3/4 elbow, and then we're going to put the pumps on the supply and do building out the manifold. Then of course we have to build a return manifold, which will be on the bottom. You guys will see it momentarily. What else on this particular boiler? It's a 5-inch flue pipe. Typically they're 6 inches. We don't normally keep 6 inches 5 inches in stock, so we have to do a quick little run to the back to the supply house because we made a little boo-boo. We got 6-inch flue pipe opposed to 5-inch. 5-inch is just not very common. What else? Oh, by us doing the actual installation, we figured out that there's a hole on the exhaust pipe on the run of the exhaust pipe for the hot water heater. No bueno. So, hey, we're here. The best thing we're going to do is to take it apart and we're going to run a new line. The only thing that I would say about this job that I see that I don't like, but that's not our fault, is that they have this hot water heater. It's a little tall. It's on the high side and has a little bit of a downward pitch. So, to help offset that issue, I'm going to get rid of this air diverter on the top, put an actual flue pipe on the bottom, elbow, and then put the diverter, because you could get an air diverter, 4-inch air diverter that runs horizontal. So I'm going to lower this as low as I can, put the air diverter here, and we have to open up the chimney in order to put the exhaust pipe on top of the chimney, and then the 5-inch flue pipe is for the boiler. It's going to be on the bottom. So, hey, this is something that was unexpected. I didn't realize that. Also, when we started taking out the flue pipe, I realized it was all corroded in the bottom. So we're not going to leave them first with no hot water or heat. But most importantly, safety is first, guys. And we want to make sure that even though it has nothing to do with the job or what we're doing today, but guess what? I'm doing it. I'm here. I see it. I see a problem, and I don't want nobody to get hurt. So, guys, safety is always first, and safety is number one. So, guys, stay tuned. Grab your huevos. Grab your panties, because we're in for a ride, baby. Wepa!
Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. ¡Huepa! It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long.
Lights, camera, action! Mi gente! It's the HVAC Papi. Man, let me show you another one. That's right, another boiler in the books. Another gas hot water heating system, 2 zones in the books, baby, from a New Yorker. It's a New Yorker boiler. Installed by the A-team, of course, here at New York Boiler and Air Conditioner Repair. Let me tell you, I'm very proud of my guys. I'm very proud. Right here, Leo is doing his thing right now. He's taking out the light because we got to wrap it up. We got another job to go to. Hey, this is all fun and games, but we got to go to another job. But, mi gente, I am super proud of my guys. Let me tell you, every time they just get better, better, and better. That's Leo right here. Give me a shot off there. That's right, yo. He wins like this, but he really means, what's happening? And I got my man Tony in the background. Yo, Tony, come over here. That's right. Guys, this was about, listen, these guys, oh, we're missing Kevin. Kevin! Well, he's over here somewhere. But anyway, but guys, listen, I'm proud of my guys. I'm gonna tell it, I'm gonna put it out there in the world and tell them how proud I am because, you know, I have a passion for this, but also I take big pride in our work. And for me, it's not about me. It's about them. They're the next one. They're the next guy. They're young guys, but they're the next one. They're gonna take over my job. It's okay. Listen, by that time, woo, I'm drinking margaritas. And I'm off to the races and somewhere in Puerto Rico, somewhere in the islands. But I'm okay with that, baby. But there's only one HVAC Papi and there's only one A-team. So I got the A-team. So if you need heat, papa, come on down here to the New York Boiler and Air Conditioner Repair and holler at us. 516-377-5200. Wepa.
Hey, gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, fuego, y está caliente. Louie the Boiler Man is here to cool me, gente. It's hot outside and it's gonna get hotter. Oh, New York Boiler will cool your gas.
516-377-5200 and Louis, who you mentioned. Wepa.